The Tiger's Hat. Written and illustrated by Hong Young-woo, Bori Publishing. Long, long ago, there lived an old man. He had many ancestors, so he held memorial rites all the time and always set the table with great care. Then one day, a strange thing began to happen at every rite. The food kept disappearing until almost nothing was left by the end. At first, he thought the ancestors had truly eaten it, so next time he prepared even more. But the more he served, the more vanished. He never dreamed it was the dokebi's prank. The dokebi knew this house always had a feast, so on right days they rushed in, stuffed themselves, and left. The old man couldn't see them because they wore a tiger cap. These magic caps, woven from a tiger's eyebrow and whiskers, made the wearer invisible. The old man didn't know that, but the more he thought, the stranger it seemed.
Ancestors only smell the food. Would they really eat it all? It must be some spirit's trick.
So for the next rite, he hid behind a folding screen after setting the table. Late at night, sure enough, the food began to vanish. He couldn't see anyone, but he heard gulping and slurping.
Hey, you rascals!
He burst out and swung his club wildly. The dokebi scattered in shock. But one was struck, and its cap flew off. Without the cap, its whole body appeared.
So it was you, villains!
The startled dokebi ran for its life, leaving the cap behind. The old man tried the tiger cap on in front of his wife. His wife gasped.
Oh my! Where did my husband go?
When he took it off, only then she said,
Goodness, there you are!
Aha! This cap makes me invisible.
He was overjoyed with his magic cap. Wearing it, he went to the market. In front of the taffy seller, he slipped a pumpkin taffy into his mouth. No one noticed. He stole snacks everywhere, and nobody knew.
With this cap, I can steal whatever I want.
Oh dear, he chose to dream of stealing. From the next day, he roamed with the cap, stealing. He took money and valuables from shop after shop. The shopkeepers were in an uproar. Cash and goods vanished before their eyes. Yet no thief could be seen. How shocking! Day after day he stole, until money and valuables piled up like mountains inside his house. The tiger cap made him rich overnight. He woke up itching to steal. His bottom wriggled and his palms tingled. After another big spree, he felt hungry. He entered a diner, but a neighbor's cigarette ash fell on the cap he had set aside.
Oh no!
He put out the fire, but it burned a coin-sized hole. At home, he asked his wife to patch it. She sewed on bright red cloth. Now, wearing the cap made him invisible, but the red patch floated in the air. Everywhere he went, the red cloth bobbed along. Rumor spread. When a red rag appears, a thief is near. The old man had no idea. One day, he slipped into a shop. The owner spotted the fluttering red rag.
Aha! That must be it! Take this!
The owner smacked the rag with his long pipe. What else could happen? Off flew the tiger cap, and the old man stood exposed.
You thief! Got you at last!
The old man was beaten soundly and driven out of town. The owner burned the tiger cap too. Oh, you think it's a shame to burn something so precious, don't you? No, it was for the best. After all, it wasn't a tiger cap, it was a greedy cap.